Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a thread in Java language. There are two ways you can create a thread in Java. The first, you can extend a thread class. This is one of the way. And the other option is you can implement a runnable interface. I have written a very simple code to explain how to create a thread in Java. So I have two classes, thread demo and my thread runnable. The first class, thread demo, extending the thread class. Okay, if you see here, so we are extending from the thread class. This is the first class, the first way where you can create a thread. Then the second way is runnable, my thread runnable, and it will implement a runnable interface. This is the second option where you can create a thread. First of all, why do we need a thread? The benefits are a multi-threaded program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently, and each part can handle different tasks at the same time. So in a single application you can do multiple operations. I can give you an example. If you open Word document in a OS, you can open a Word document, you can work on Notepad and other applications, Microsoft Outlook. So similarly, in a single Java application you can trigger multiple tasks in a single JVM using threads. So I was talking about two ways of creating a thread: extending a thread class and implementing runnable interface. So I'm going to debug this code and explain to you. So the first way is, this is the class which is extending thread. If you see here, it is extending thread, and we can override this class, this method, and when I call this start method, very important is we have to call the start method, and the moment I call the start method, it will go to the run method. Okay, then we are going to call my runnable object. So I'm creating the object which is implementing runnable interface, and I'm passing that runnable object to the thread. Okay, then I'm going to start this thread as well. If you see here, there are two threads are running. If you see here, there are two threads running. I'm showing the stack so that you can see there are two threads running already. And if you see here, my runnable thread is starting. There is no guarantee that they will run in particular order. It depends on the JVM how exactly it works. So these are the two ways, by extending the thread class and by implementing the runnable interface. These are the two ways where you can create a thread and start the thread. The advantages, the suggestion is always use runnable interface, because if you want to extend from a class in future, since Java does not support multiple inheritance, better go for implementing runnable interface instead of extending thread class. Once you extended, you lose the opportunity to extend from a different class. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.